Hi, I'm Jennifer Pippin. I work for Keller Williams. I'm a residential real estate agent, and I am honored today to read this awesome book. It's called Go Dog Go, and it's by P.D. Eastman, and it's a book of things to go. And just so you know, this is my sweet dog Bella, and she just wanted to be in on the video today. So here we go. Go dog go. Go dog go. Go on skates, or go by bike, or go by foot. Run, skip, or hike. Go by scooter, go by skis. Bundle up so you don't freeze. Bella wants to make sure you don't freeze. Go by a blimp. Go by boat. Oh, Bella's stretching for you. Go by car. Go dogs go. It's not too far. Stop, dog, stop. The light is red. Go dog go. It's green. Go on ahead. You're almost there. Stop at that tree. Climb the ladder to a dog party. I hope you enjoyed the book. Please do good in school, listen to your teacher, and we are so proud of you. Have a great day.